What's up, family? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a beat, a professional beat. It has been long I talk about making beat production, but now I'm ready and I know what I'm doing now. Like I am the best beat maker in my community right now, so I want to share with now the wisdom and the intelligence about making beats. And in your phone, no, it's not laptop, any equipment, it's just your phone. BandLab app. If I don't download it, go and download BandLab mobile app. This video is for producers and artists that want to learn how to make beats. You get me? The artists, if you want to learn how to make beats, you have to have that producer mindset. Producers, if you want to learn how to make beats, you have to have an artist mindset. Shey you get me? You let your guy to it, you enter your bad lab. People that have bad lab, enter your bad lab. People that don't have, go and download it. Very simple. Your Play Store, you cannot find it there. Very simple. Yeah, let me just go straight to the point. You get me? I have no talk. Okay, this is the beat. You guys listen to the beat, right? Look at the beat. Look, it's very simple how I made it. How I make it. Let me just show you guys. Now, you guys are seeing it, right? You guys are seeing it, right? Yeah, look how I make the this thing. This thing, oh. You guys are listening, right? Very simple and amazing. You have to play keyboard. This thing. Yeah, guys, I forgot to add it to the video. If you want to buy any beat at all, I got you. Just send me a DM, a message, a comment. I will send you the beat and we will talk price. You get me? Peace out. This one just very simple. Very fucking simple. You can't just tell me that this beat is not amazing. This beat is amazing, perfect. I don't add effects. You can see no effects, just instrumentals. I just carry some sample of sound. I don't sample anything on this beat. I don't sample anything. I just my making. I play my own keyboard, my own everything. I play it. This thing. You can see. You can't tell me like once you want to make beat, it's very simple. But first, you have to change your mindset. Be a listener. Once you are hearing a song somewhere else, pay attention to the beat. Pay attention to the beat, not the song. Once like someone is singing now, they are playing song for you. You pay attention to the beat more. Listen, have a listening ear for beats. Don't always vibe to the song, vibe to the beat. Even that Davido and Omali, that with you, they had a new single wey trend for Nigeria this year. That song beat, if you play that beat, if you make that beat, if you are a producer with your phone, I know how many video I watch wey people make beat with their phone. Very simple, just put your ear as the beat, not as the song. But if you learn tip my video, like and subscribe. Very simple to make beat right here, bro. I teach you every time. Shake your mindset. Chase your dreams, bro. You are going to 2026, nigga. Happy New Year. If you don't see me, if I did next year, I must do next year. Sha. I will good. Next year, I want to be a billionaire. You get me? So don't comment rubbish my video. You know, concern me. Your point concern me. No ask me question. I know question, but no tell me I don't know.